Hello, I'm Carmen again. For adding badges, I enter the part of collaborative course design. I turn the editing on, and under the administration part, navigator, which is block, which is down under the course, I choose badges and add a new badge. I call it special because it has an S on it. Okay, and I will write this is to certify that the student has completed. Then go back to see what activities. E-portfolio concepts, part 1, which is a manual activity, and what is e-portfolio? The reading over what is e-portfolio? A reading activity is e-portfolio concepts. I will choose a file. It's on my desktop. Special. Save it as the same name with capitals. I should choose license Creative Commons Share Alike. It's here, name. Of the issuing agency or authority. Collaborative. Course design. And put my contact. I hope it goes. Okay, I have it saved. Badge expiry. Never. So I can create it. Such name already exists. I will call it special 1. Because perhaps I already have one. Okay, I will choose some criteria. Let's see, overview. Name, special 1, to certify that a student has completed. Image, issuer details, issuer name, contact, batch expired, does not have. Criteria, I have to add criteria from here. I say awarded badges. This criteria is complete when? No. Maybe manual, I can go back. Manual issue by role. Let's see if I can do that. No, as a manager or course creator. I will put both. Complete when? all of the but I don't think it goes because it goes to me. Then the badge will go to me. I will go back. Activity completion. Let's see which one. It's easier this way. There. Search which activities are here. I said e-portfolio concepts and what is portfolio 2. And I will enable completed by 28th December 2020. And the same, I will enable it's December 2020. Both of the criteria. This criterion is completed when all of the selected activities are complete, both of them. Description. I can write again, this is to certify that the student has completed what is e-portfolio and concepts and introductions. Let's check again the activities. I'll copy them from here better to have the same. Name, part 1, comma, and the second, what is the portfolio? Now I can save. I have the two criterion here. Criteria, added details. Let's see. Let's check up again. I have the image, I have the name. I have everything here. Let's check up the message. You have been awarded. Congratulations, you earned the badges. Notify badge creator. Let's say every time I want to see that. Enable access. If I do that, I will first save changes. Why can't I save the changes? Will require first congratulations message. It's okay, I did that. I completed everything. Okay. And if I enable access, okay. confirm that it is visible to users. I will continue. Now I can save changes. It's enabled the recipients. Has not been earned yet. Edit details. Issuer details. It's here. The contact. The expiring date never. It's not enabled. The criteria. Activity completion for 2 activities. The message. I think it's by default like this. I have everything here. I have enabled it. So I can overview it. I can go back to badges. You see, it is saved. I'll go down to the block of badges. Now I manage badges. Okay, I have a copy of it. Copy of special and special, which is the other is not enabled. I enabled it. The same. I locked another. And now I have special available to users for any of mine is special one. This one here. It's available to users. I enabled it. Complete all of label part 1 e-portfolio concepts by 28 December 2020 file. What is a portfolio by 28 December 2020? From the eye I can see that the access is enabled. From here I can edit it, I can copy it, or I can delete it. Let's see from here. Add details, I can see it again. So when these 2 criteria are done, are completed, this badge will be allowed. Let's see, can manage badges. I have other badges here. Copy of special for certain other activities, which I will delete because there are too many. Delete and keep issued badges. Delete and remove existing. I will delete and keep issued badges or not. Let's see. Okay, I just have. No, I couldn't do that. Delete and remove existing issued badges. Let's see. Yes, it's already done. So I also have a star performer for profile completion, which has already been awarded to the C26 recipients. But here I have to edit details, to edit my details, the issuer's details if I can do that, but I cannot.